Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to enable face lock on iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your settings and then go to the Face ID and passcode. Just tap on it. When you tap on it you can see a new interface just like this. Here just tap on setup Face ID. Okay, when you tap on it you can see your face lock is in process, and you need to follow the screen instructions to complete the process. Okay, and then next when you see this interface on your screen, then proceed with the second part of the registration and press done. Okay, press done, which is at the bottom of the screen. And now you need to set up a backup. Use your passcode and then tap on continue, which is at the bottom of the screen. And now tap on done, which is at the top of the screen. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.